Hello, it's me, Valentina. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys techniques and products on what it's like for me to get ready for a show. So let's get started. Half of my brows are shaven. Got me feeling like a rich white woman. Making sure that we block our brows out and making sure that we can transform into the woman we want to be. My secret potion on my skin. Grumpy old rich white ladies at Neiman's looking for a potion. This could be it. Lock it in. Lock it in. What is a real secret to beauty? Feeling your fantasy, girl. If my fantasy tonight is, tonight I'm gonna be the most beautiful woman that walks into that room. And if I believe it, ooh girl, it's over. And granted, I'm not even a woman. So I'm gonna contour with some more William Tuttle in a darker color. Oh my God, indecent woman. Ooh, there it is. You know, you don't need to go to Dr. 90210. Get you no nose job, nothing like that. So what you want to do is just throw yourself in the oven. The way that I start out with my brows is I start with my dots. This is my ultimate secret, so I'm going to do this off camera. These brows is going to be real snatched. And the secret to this brow is just go watch the movie The Blue Lagoon with Brooke Shields. Stare at her eyebrows, and you'll get it. One of my other biggest secrets is always stay hydrated. Lip liner by MAC. It's called Hover. It's kind of like a brownish nude, and I use it for my lips. I use it for my cut crease. It's my all-time favorite. Just like draw my lines before I fill in. The contact lenses that I use are not just regular contact lenses, they're beauty circle lenses. So it makes me look like a scary doll. So I go in with this kind of like tapered brush and I just kind of start to apply it where I want my highlights to be. Paint that circle of life. I'm completely carved like a Thanksgiving turkey. I actually have a sound that I make when I do this. And I go ding, 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 ding. I've always loved the idea of like people that have like poochy lips, that where their lips just like going toward their nose. This is a gloss called Neon Orange. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my lashes. These are a custom pair of stacked lashes by my friend Shablangela. Oh my God, I feel like America's sweetheart now. Hello, it's me, Valentina's wig. We're all done here. And I have my beautiful Catholic jewels on, covered in, let's just say diamonds. I love you guys. Bow, 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 bow. We've been shooting for 5 hours, how many hours? 6 hours! Can you believe that? Take that, Gwyneth Paltrow. Take that, Victoria Beckham. Cut!